The 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this pre-owned model still has plenty of miles remaining as reliable transportation. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and the powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: a front bench seat, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, a tonneau cover, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.